Hello everybody. So today is kind of getting some of the seeds in the dirt since we're coming up on spring. And a lot of what I do is grab my old seeds from last year, and these are all okra seeds. And I really only need like 10. I don't need however many is in this bag, but every year if you learn to kind of save your seeds and recycle, you don't have to go back to the store and keep buying more seeds. This is okra. This is okra from years and just recycling it and growing it and rinse and repeat. You won't have to do as much each year going to the store, because when you go, you buy a bag of seeds. And yeah, I do buy bags of seeds. I still like buying them, but when you do it, just know that you can always capture the seeds for the next year if they put out seeds as much as like okra or basil. I usually buy like radishes, and this, as you can see here, is like all radish seeds. So I could throw these in the dirt. I don't eat radishes as much. We grow them, but they're not like our go-to food. So there's something that put off seeds, but I'm not really a big fan of them. They grow easy though, and they grow fast. And these are all little pods from years and years of not okra, but radishes, and just throwing them in the dirt, and they work. Basil, same thing. You can capture those seeds and then just grow more of that. We only need so many seeds, but it never hurts to have enough, and then you share it with friends and family. The other thing is, I'll do compost, and every now and then I'll get little sprouts, and these sprouts, they're mystery seeds. They're like kind of like a mystery prize, and so you throw them in the dirt and see what happens. I like these because, yeah, you don't know what they are until like later on. You're like, oh, I got cantaloupes or something like that. They work out. It's never, it doesn't hurt. You just throw them, because if they survived in the compost, they're gonna want to live no matter what. My chives didn't make it through the freeze, so I captured a lot of the seeds this year, and I'm gonna spread them back into the dirt and repopulate it and try to get them jump started again for this season. We love chives. Chives are easy things to grow, but just going through my seeds, just trying to go back and this is just, but this, yeah, it's a short video, just kind of showing like if you're starting to grow gardening and stuff like that, learn to recycle your seeds, and you can start getting more every year and start getting more out of it. And pretty soon you'll have more than you want, and you're like, oh, I grew too much. So yeah, just